How do I activate my Vodafone SIM card?
Hello and welcome to this video on activating your Vodafone SIM card. In this guide, we'll walk you through the process step by step to ensure a smooth and hassle-free activation.
Have you got your SIM card and activation code?
Before we begin, make sure you have your Vodafone SIM card and the activation code. The activation code is usually sent via email or SMS, or it can be found on the SIM card packaging.
Are you a new or existing Vodafone customer?
The activation process differs slightly for new and existing customers. New customers. If you're a new Vodafone customer, you'll need to create a new account on the Vodafone website or app. Existing customers. If you're an existing Vodafone customer, simply log in to your account on the Vodafone website or app.
How to activate the SIM card on the Vodafone website?
1. Visit the Vodafone website and log into your account or create a new account if you're a new customer. 2. Once logged in, click on Activate SIM or look for a similar option in the menu. 3. Enter your SIM card number and your activation code in the respective fields. 4. Follow the on-screen instructions and complete the activation process. 5. Your SIM card should now be activated. It may take up to 24 hours for the activation to complete.
How to activate the SIM card using the Vodafone app?
1. Open the Vodafone app on your smartphone and log into your account or sign up if you're a new customer. 2. Navigate to the Activate SIM section or look for a similar option in the app menu. 3. Input your SIM card number and your activation code in the provided fields. 4. Complete the activation process by following the in-app instructions. 5. Your SIM card should be activated shortly. Please note that it may take up to 24 hours for the activation to be completed. That's it. You've successfully activated your Vodafone SIM card. We hope this guide has been helpful, and you're now all set to enjoy your new Vodafone connection. If you face any issues during the activation process, don't hesitate to contact Vodafone customer support for assistance. Happy browsing!